Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can sort the application in your iPhone alphabetically. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching the video. So, let's get started. And I'll tell you right off the bat that automatically on your iPhone, all your apps are already sorted alphabetically. You just need to find them. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to swipe from right to left on your home screen to get to the app library. Once again, just swipe from the right side to the left until you run out of all your applications, all your work screens, and then you go straight to the application library. Here, as you can see, you can't swipe any further. So in the application library, if you click on the search box, you can easily see that all the applications that you have on your iPhone, they are all sorted alphabetically. Friends, in this simple way you can find and sort your iPhone apps alphabetically. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.